Hello guys, welcome to your channel. Before going to the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. DA pipe removing and laying due to leakage found. After finding the leakage, it can be excavated by the excavator to know the leakage is whether minor or major. If it is major, it is necessary to change the pipe as an immediate cause. Now you can able to see the leakage point. The leakage we find that is major, so that we are going to the next step. Then we have to take it as a serious cause and the excavator, and it can be excavated for the full length of the pipe. After the complete excavation, it is needed to remove the damaged pipe. Care must be taken while removing the pipes, and whenever and which site we are working, the safety is first while working at the site. And now please just observe the work, how they are doing and how the work is going. Please observe the pipe how they are doing, and it has to be nightfall. रुकने तो अच्छा है ट्रेलर पे। रह दे क्यों ऐसा नहीं कर रहा है? ओए इसको निकालना, उसको रहने देना वहीं पे, उसको मारना पड़ेगा ना। इसको निकाल दो। ये पाइप बाहर हो, ये
जेंटा बाहर करा मैंने तुम्हारा
जो फट गया उसको निकाल दो।
अरे इटा उठाओ, इटा पहला
हाँ उठा
चल उठा दीजिए।
हाँ उठा
ये भी डैमेज हो गया सर।
वो डैमेज उधर से है,
वो तो पूरी जो लगता है ना
वो तो डैमेज दिखाई दे रहा है।
हाँ।
लेकिन ये वाला इधर से डैमेज है। डैमेज क्या, वो बेंड हो गया, उसमें हम लोग कुछ ठोका था, इसलिए पाइप को चेंज करने के लिए चाह रहा है।
इसको भी निकालना पड़ेगा ना
कर सकते हैं।
చాలా సింపుల్ గా వస్తుంది పైప్.
इसको उधर ही अनलोड कर।
After the successful removal of pipes, grease must be applied to the socket and spigot ends of the pipe. But after the gaskets fixed, note that point. But after the gaskets fixed to the pipe, the grease must be applied for the water tightness. But always remember, before applying grease, we have to clean the spigot on socket end of the pipes. By the other hand, the pipe is shifted by the excavator to the work location you want. You can observe on the screen. Please remember always, it is mandatory to clean the spigot and before applying grease. But he directly goes to apply the grease to it. Therefore, we are directed him to clean it, so he can doing. Observe what he is doing and also how he was cleaning. After the completion of the cleaning of inner space of the spigot end, we must have to apply the grease from end to end of the spigot, which means all round of the day of the pipe for the best interlocking to avoid water tightness, and no pushing of the pipe for locking can be made. You can observe it on the video. Also, care must be taken while pushing for avoiding leakage issues at the joint. So he was same doing cleans and applying grease again. Already we are talked about the why the pipe can be cleaned and grease applied anyway. Therefore he is ready to push and lock the pipe. You can observe the video. The excavator is also ready to push it and it holds. One man stands at the spigot end of the pipe and another one at the socket end of the pipe for the better pushing. And also directions to the operator will get easy pushing of the pipe, so you can feel it on the video. Therefore, observe carefully and also listen it. If you are not pushing with the proper precautions, there must be a chance to break the gaskets you have provided on the spigot end of the pipes. So observe carefully and do all the precautions we need. And also point you have to note that always safety is the first precaution. So adjust the pipe as we needed for the better interlocking of the pipes and do the better work.
पाइप कोना है दियो
क्या उधर किया? Now pushing is made by the excavator with the by giving the blows to the pipe and to interlock the pipes for water tightness. Pushing of the pipe is done. Pushing of the pipe is to be done. Pushing of the pipe is to be done. No, it was doing.
होला ना
Finally, pipe gets pushed with the bucket of the excavator. But it was not correct to trust anyone blindly. You can mark my words. So checking needed at the joint, at every joint with hexa blade check. Which means, if you understand, which means by inserting a hexa blade into the joint, we have to find the any leakages can be done. Which means By inserting a hexa blade into the joint of the pipe we have made, it can be compulsory goes into the joint, which means metallic gaskets will counteract the hexa blade. Therefore, we have not to find any leakages. If we are inserting the hexa blade, it will goes onto the pipe. Then there is a leakage compulsory. So care must be taken at any laying of the pipes. And therefore you can observe on the screen laying of second pipe will be done, pipe shifted, and they are cleaning, pushing, same process will be done. Cleaning, greasing, application at the spigot, and you can observe it. अंगवाड़े पार ए तंग अंगवाड़े पार so therefore our aim is to gap closing of that pipes. So for the purpose of gap closing, one end of the pipe can be lifted with the excavator and another one be lifted with the JCB, and the two pipes are after lifted it can be gap closing. गैप वो ऐसा पत्थर है ना, उस समय में होगा पत्थर कुछ चाहने के बाद
ज़्यादा प्रेशर भी नहीं था उस टाइम.
फिर कैसा आ गया?
నేను వచ్చా కదా లాస్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు అంతా డ్రాప్ బై డ్రాప్ అలా బయటకు వస్తుంది అంతే.
అప్పుడు డ్రాప్ బై డ్రాప్
इधर लीकेज है सर.
लीकेज तो है, लेकिन हम लोग जॉइंट में सोच के जॉइंट को खुदाई किया था.
वो डैमेज साइड डाल देगा क्या कोई? फिर ऊपर की तरफ डैमेज है.
हाँ
मैं ऊपर का जैसा
तो मिट्टी डाल ऊपर ऊपर पाइप अच्छा अच्छा है तो डालेगा सर. पाइप मिट्टी मिट्टी ऊपर डाले तो पत्थर है तो वो प्रेशर में जाए होल.
ऐसा कर दिया वो पत्थर ही गिर के
वो
ऊपर से
पत्थर
मिट्टी
जो
प्रेशर आता है ना सर, इसलिए
पत्थर गिर गया होगा.
वो एमएस देखने के लिए आया ना सर. हाँ उधर आया. हाँ उस टाइम इधर लीकेज है.
ఏ అప్పుడు లీకేజ్ మొత్తం మూడు మూడు జాయింట్లో కూడా ఉంది.
इधर से उतना दूर तक पानी
हाँ.
आ रहा है.
ఇంకో కామెడీ ఏంటనుకున్నా, ఇది 2 సార్లు తప్ప ఇది కామెడీ అయితే
उधर
उधर थोड़ा
लास्ट में वो तो ऐसा नीचे गया है. वो ऐसा नीचे ही गया है. वो पुशिंग होके केसिंग पाइप के अंदर गया वो. अभी लूज मट्टी डालेगा ना सर फिर भी लीकेज आएगा. हम लोग जॉइंट को छोड़ देंगे. जॉइंट को छोड़ देगा.
मेरा हिसाब से उधर ही छोड़ने तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
అక్కడ వదిలితే లేచిపోతుంది.
లేచిపోద్దా?
అది చేసి బ్యాకింగ్ చేస్తే బెస్ట్. అది అది లూజ్ మట్టి అయితేనే అవ్వదంటే నువ్వు ఇంకా మట్టి వదిలేంగుతాను సార్. అది హైలైట్.
हाँ जॉइंट में छोड़ देंगे.
किधर लगेगा?
You have to remember that gap
इधर
closing,
लगाओ.
after the gap closing, backfilling is a necessary caution for avoiding the local riots with the local people, and also after the backfilling you have to must to give the DPR also. So this was the pipeline we have laid. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Sorry, yours channel, and this channel is running for you, and utmost love with yours channel. Thank you.